viewers, Ben here from Centre TV. Today we're doing our second test of the GoPro, and we've got the mount on the driver's side, which I think will give a better aspect and better angle for the filming. I've set it up so you can see the gear changes and everything. Anyway, we'll take off and I'll show you what I mean and go for a cruise. So again, I don't want to do anything too exciting or legal. I'm doing these tests so I can get my best track set up for filming. I suspect this will be the best ones. Much better day today than the other day. No rain today, that's for sure. When I took off, you would have seen one of the built-in features with the shift light indicators. There's plenty of other features I could show you too, but it's a bit hard when you're not on the track. The flat shifting, for example, you'd probably do it up to a certain speed, but again, you just have to wait for the track. But you are getting to hear the auto rev matching. Be a little bit careful on these country roads, cows and animals and stuff. Nice windy road, this one. So just cruise along again. Look at that countryside. No clouds today. Anyway, it'd be really good if you could let me know which which setup you prefer. The first one I did with the GoPro on the passenger seat side with the mount, or with the driver's side seat, the one I'm doing now. The advantage with the passenger one is I can push the GoPro a little bit further forward and you can see a bit better outside the car, like a bigger view. Whereas on this side I can't, because obviously I can't push the seat forward more than what I'm comfortable with. So a bit restricted there, but so you get to see more of the inside the car, a bit less of outside, but I'm only watching it as I'm going along now on my phone, so when I get home I'll be able to watch it on a bigger screen and just see how much of outside you get to see, so that'll be a bit better judge, I think. Alright, cool, thanks for your time. Any comments and feedback would be awesome. Let me know which one you prefer. Don't forget to like and subscribe.